Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and I have a entry to my challenge. My challenge is to send me a piece of fabric. Okay, now I've had this one here for a few days, but I'm so sorry I have not been able to open it. And this is from Belinda. So here I go today. I've got a little bit of time so I can do some opening. So this was actually part way there done. So it's been peeping in there. Anyway, so let me see. It wasn't me truly. So this is from Belinda and she is from Queensland. Thank you so much, Belinda. And look what she sent me. Oh boy. Oh, thank you so much, Belinda. Look at this nice. Look at this. She's made me this nice tag. That's really cool, isn't it? And she's put her information on there, and she sent me this, and oh dear, I love it. I love it. It's just the sort of thing that I really like. It's good for fraying. You can see through it. Thank you so much. It's absolutely amazing. So Belinda, thank you so much for your entry. I really appreciate that. I'm sorry it took me a while to get it up here, but I got it just before the holidays, and I've been well, you know how that is. There was no chance for me to do anything, and she sent me this really nice picture, and she's got her information on the back. So thank you very much, Belinda. I really appreciate that. I'll put him back in the envelope because I don't want to forget where that come from. Okay, so thank you very much for everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.